Good afternoon. Today we will be looking for weekly outlook for energy complex. In energy complex, we have started last week with a very sharp fall in crude oil prices. We have seen crude prices drop nearly, we can say, testing 4400 level mark, but a sharp recovery in last couple of days we have seen in crude oil prices. Prices are right now up by almost 7% on week basis, whereas natural gas prices are up by around 5.5% on week basis. Coming to the fundamental side, as demand is slowly and steadily expected to improve as per the IEA update, and also the World Bank has clearly told that whatever the growth that has been projected early on, that was around 5%, but now it is expected that 2021 global growth would be around 5.5. That has supported crude oil prices. Also, some concerns from the Middle East has been observed that has supported the crude oil prices. But in all, we can say prices has now Brent crude is very well placed above $65-$66 mark. But it's very hard to believe to cross $70 mark as of now. Or we can say on M6 prices won't expect to retest 5,000 level mark, as OPEC members has clearly told from May onwards the production is continuously be on rising. Also, the Saudi has cut down the production of 1 million barrel would be restored in the month of May month. So overall, we expect whatever the gains we have seen in last 1 week period is now seems to be capping up, and a bounce towards let's say 4750 or 4800 would be a greater level to take short once again, with a stop loss of 4950, and objective for this call would be targeting at least 4400 in downside. Similarly, natural gas, we have seen with the weather condition, we have seen prices move lower towards 190 and below that also, but now things have been improving. As per the seasonality also, we expect natural gas prices can see a good bounce. Technically 202 is acting as a very strong resistance, but a breach of the 200 level mark, we can see a sharp prices moving towards 215 to 218. A harmonic pattern has been formed in domestic MCX natural gas prices that clearly suggests a breach of 200 level can find the prices going toward 250 to 280. So overall, in the energy complex, buy on drop should be there for natural gas, whereas no doubt a sharp rally has been seen in crude oil prices, but it is not justified. As of now, market is slightly overbought. No doubt inventory has been slightly supportive, but overall we expect 48-48.50 would be the higher side. From there we can see a profit booking, and prices may once again see support towards 4400 level.